Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin and I work as a technical consultant at BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company and provide technological solutions across the world. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to use submit field. Submit field means, let me show you. See, normally what we do, we load the record here. We load the record and then we set the value, right? But instead of doing these two things, it is better to use submit fields. Directly we can write like record or submit fields. Type is the ID of that particular record. ID, we will provide the ID of that record. Then we will put the values as per our choice, as per our requirement, and then we will just save it. We will just execute this script. Now let me show you with an example. For example, let's take this. Here is our sales order form, right? Now see here. ID is 740. I will open this record. ID is 740. Okay. See here. The name is John Doe. And here Canada. Purchase order. Everything is written. But I want that this name should be changed. Like Peter Williams. Right. And we want to change the total purchase. Total purchase. Right. And we also want to change the name of this sales rep. So what we will do here, we will write down here name like William Smith, right? Here the warehouse location is Canada. We want to put it New York City, right? Then total purchase is this 700. We want to make it like $500, right? Memo is okay, it's 740 customer notes, and then we want to change the sales rep name. So sales rep name is customer record sales rep, and then we will also change here like sales rep name and George. We will put like George. Okay. And here I will save it. And then one more thing is there. Let me see first list. Okay. No problem. Okay. Now here I am going to change. I have changed this customer record sales rep, that is George. New name is William Smith in place of John Doe, and then the total purchase is 500 in place of 700, and then New York City, right? I have written here customer record dot submit fields. Type, I have given the ID of this particular record. ID I have given 740 because we want to change this record, and then we will just, I have written this code in the page init event, right? Now I will select all, Control C, and then I will put it in the script part. Here is script part, and here is edit. Okay, I will paste it here. I save it. Okay, now see here, this is the sales order form. I will open it in a edit form and then in a new tab. Or if I click here like new record, in that case also it will execute. Now if I refresh this, see here, 740 William Smith. Previously it was John Doe. Sales rep is George. Previously it was Rajkumar. And another is warehouse location. Warehouse location. Previously it was Canada. And then total purchase. Total purchase is 500. Previously it was 700. Look at this. Previously it was 700. and here it is 500 now. So if I click on this and then if I view it, now look at this. George William Smith, total purchase 500, and New York City. So in this way, instead of using load record and then set value, you can better use this submit fields. Just put the type, ID, and values, and then just execute the script. So this is most important because many times it is required that uh, instead of writing more lines of code, it is better writing fewer lines, and then you can get your work done. So this is how we change the field, update the ID, or we can say update the record. So this is most important, and please practice this. And if you have any doubt in this code, you can note down in the comment box. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thanks.